Hi everybody, this is drawninjakc here, and today we're going to go over how to refill your ink in your Copic markers or your Blick studio markers. I use Blick studio markers. I know a lot of people out there have Copic markers. The process is actually the same, and it doesn't come with instructions when you get the markers, so a lot of people, when it's time to refill the ink, don't really know how to go about doing so. So I'm going to go over it with you, so when it's time to refill the ink, you'll know how to do it. Okay, so we have three things here that you'll need, which is of course the marker, and the second thing is the ink refill, and the third thing are tweezers. Very important to have these. Okay, I'm going to be refilling the color camel today. It's the color I mostly use for skin tones, so I use it a lot to blend also skin tones, so I guess I kind of used it up a lot. I used a little too much of it, and it kind of ran out. It's getting very, very dull. So I went to the Blick Studio, I went to Blick art supply store, and I got this refill for it. So that was cool. And again, I don't use Copic markers because they're way too expensive. And with Blick, you get, in my opinion, just the same or better quality, and they are refillable. So either one is good, but the process is the same for both markers. For Copic markers and for Blick markers, the process is the same. And basically what you do is, I like to start at the thick end because it gives you more room to fill in the ink, right? So I'm going to start at the broad end, and you take the tweezers and you just kind of grab it firmly and just kind of wedge it out like that. See? You wedge out the nib. Alright, so now it's open. Open up your ink refill, and then just gently, not gently, carefully, just kind of drip it in there. Just drip it in there, maybe 2 or 3 drips will do. I'm going to do 4 drips just to be safe. Let me see if it has any instructions on there. It just has safety instructions. Don't get this stuff in your eye. It is alcohol based, so don't get this stuff in your eye. But if you do, rinse your eye for 5 to 10 minutes. But other than that, just use your own judgment as to how many to drop in there. I'm going to drop another 2 because I don't want to have to change this after a while. Alright, so then now I screw this back on. And then take the nib. Oopsie. I guess you can take it with your hand at this point. And just kind of wedge it back in there until it stops, and you're good to go. Put that on there, shake it up. Let's get something to test it out on. Take this card, just make sure it goes through to the other side. Still kind of weak on the other side. Let's shake it up a little bit. Let's see this side. Yeah, this side is juicy because of course, it went through on that side, but give it a little while to soak through to the other side, and I think it'll be fine. It's getting a little better on that side. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And you can also refill it by taking out the fine nib as well. The same process with the tweezers. Pull it out and also just drop the ink refill in there. Close it back, and you're good to go. Okay? And again, if it's not juicy enough, just open it up again and fill it up some more. Easy, breezy, beautiful Blick refill. Alright? Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you learned how to refill your ink. And as usual, I'll see you next time.